does timeless beauty mean to you? Think about that, because I've got a contest for you. Hi there, how you doing today?
So Metrin approached me on Instagram and offered me a free kit in exchange for this video. And then they went a step further and offered 4 free kits to 4 lucky winners. And at the end of this video, I'll give you all those details.
I, as you know, work as an actor and as a model, and I get to try a lot of products in my professional capacity as a model. Not so much, I get to try a bunch of products in my capacity as a YouTuber as well, but these are different things that are very similar. Anyway, I get hired as the before and after model for products all the time. And right about the beginning of the year, I got hired to use a product, a line of products that is supposed to be very hydrating for the skin. And it was amazing. And I should make a completely separate video all about that product. That product really hydrated my skin to the point where it knocked my acne out of control, and I was like chasing it, trying to get my skin better. While I was going through all of this angst with all of this acne, I was approached by a company out of Canada called Metrin. And they have a product that they claim makes your skin normal, that it hydrates dry skin and makes oily skin and acne-prone skin normal. So yeah, I wanted to try it because my skin was really, really annoying. And I can't say whether Metrin is good for skin that is particularly dry and needs hydrating, because I don't know. I don't have dry skin. My skin is super oily. And after using the Metrin product line for, I guess it's been about 3 months now, my skin is normal. That's all I can say. And that's all I wanted, is for my skin to be normal. And I'm really, really amazed. So let me show you the whole product line, because I got a contest for you. I'm going to tell you all about these different products, and at the end of the video, 4 winners. We are going to have 4 different winners, and I will tell you what you need to do. So stay tuned. They tell you to wash your hands with cleanser and pat them dry. I will admit that I never once washed my hands with this cleanser before cleansing my face with this cleanser. Then place cleanser in palm of hand and smooth onto face and neck. Gently remove with a washcloth dampened in lukewarm water. Pat skin dry, then follow with step 2. This always worked well. My skin got really clean. I took this to Las Vegas. Even when I did that really, really heavy makeup on the night that we went out to the nightclub, it got my face clean. So, been very pleased with the cleanser. You do buy the Metrin Skincare line as a kit. There are 5 products in here, and this is going to last you 6 months. And I believe that, because I've been using this for 3 months, and I would say it looks like it's about down to here. I am not blowing through this product. It doesn't seem to need very much. I've used the cleanse both with the washcloth as they recommend, and I've also used it without because my skin has always been hypersensitive, and a lot of times if I use a washcloth too much, it can become irritated. So I found that I would tend to use a washcloth when I would cleanse my face at night, and then in the morning, I didn't use a washcloth. That's not what they say to do on the directions, but I'm a rebel. What are you gonna do? Step 2, their exfoliating cleanser. This is interesting. It has a medicinal smell. It definitely has a, yeah, medicinal. It smells like something that you would have used on you by a doctor. It just has, it's not unpleasant, it's just a little medicine-y smelling. There are instructions for use. Place cleanser in palm of hand, add water, and work up a bubbling lather. I will tell you in all honesty, I never found this lather to be all that bubbling, but maybe my standards of bubbling are different from other people's standards of bubbling. It didn't seem all that bubbly, but see, nitpicky. Apply to face and neck. Do not massage. Remove cleanser with a washcloth dampened in lukewarm water. Splash skin several times to completely remove all traces of cleanser. Pat dry. Follow with step 3. Just like with step 1, I didn't always use the washcloth. Did at night, not so much in the morning. And this left my skin feeling squeaky clean. Step number 3, hydrate. Felt like a good basic lotion. Place conditioner in palm of hand and smooth onto Metrin Clean Skin. The correct amount will make your skin feel smooth and moisturized, but not oily or dry. And I gotta tell you, that sort of cracks me up, the way they put that, because it seems not very specific. And the first couple of times, I used a little too much. You really don't need very much. A little goes a long way. And this is definitely gonna last for 6 months. Number 4, protect. This one I found really interesting because I am accustomed to using my serums and lotions sort of in order of viscosity, the thinnest one first, but this is the thinnest one. It's very liquidy, and it was really kind of fun to put on a lotion in step number 3, and then to pour this, it looks like water, into your hands, and just sort of pat that all over. My skin felt like it just had a huge drink of water, which I guess it kind of did, but I really, really liked the way it made my skin feel. So took a few days to get used to it, but I'm kind of hooked. It just felt like drenched. Number 5, Nourish. Place conditioner in palm of hand and smooth onto face and neck. The correct amount will make your skin feel smooth, moisturized, and nourish for one final step of enrichment. My only criticism of this final step is that it doesn't contain sunscreen. So that makes it great at night, but during the day, it's not my final step because I still got to wear sunscreen. I did add some drops, some sunscreen drops to this and found that that worked great. Or I've used another step with sunscreen or used makeup that has sunscreen in it. We haven't had a lot of sunshine lately in California, so sun hasn't really been an issue for me lately. All in all, I have to say that I have really, really been pleased with the Metrin Skincare system. The Metrin Skincare system retails for $159, which seems steep, but when you look at 5 products that work synergistically together for 6 months, 6 months of skincare for $159 is really not that much. And for those of us who are experiencing acne issues, adult acne, or hormonal acne, as we're going through changes, I found that my skin just became normal. I still get the occasional little pimple, but they're not big and they disappear quickly. I'm not getting those big undergrounders. I'm not having things that are big and red and swollen. You see me without makeup all the time, so you know what my skin is going through. I'm really, really pleased with the Metrin Skincare line. Okay, so here's the deal. Metrin's given away 2 kits to my YouTube audience and 2 kits to my Instagram audience. And all you have to do is sign on to both of their social media accounts, which I will drop down in the description box down below. So you're going to go to their Facebook page and you're going to go to their Instagram page and sign up and follow them and drop a comment describing what timeless beauty means to you. Go to Metrin's Facebook page and Metrin's Instagram account and drop a comment saying what timeless beauty means to you. And I will be announcing the winners, or they will be announcing the winners. Gosh, they didn't tell me how they were going to do that. I gotta say, I am super pleased with the way Metrin Skincare gave me perfectly normal skin. It's not dry, it's not oily, it's just normal. And I'm really, really happy about that. So if you'd like to try Metrin for yourself, I will drop the information down below. It's $159 for a 6-month supply. They also have smaller size kits or travel size kits that are a little bit less expensive, so you might look into that if you just want to give it a try for a couple of months. And if you're interested in winning, go follow them on Facebook, follow them on Instagram, and leave a comment about what timeless beauty means to you. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you very soon.